estoy aquí aguantando.
We've had a bit of a challenge in the past where our scouting network has not been properly extensive or extensive enough so that you give a chance to every kid in every corner of Kenya, as I have said before, from Loitoktok to Lokitown, from Lamu to Lambwe. You just want to make sure that every blade of grass, every grain of sand is covered. And to do that, you need a very effective scouting program. And so my challenge to our scouting team is to be more inclusive. But you know, we are also deploying the digital platform, the Talanta Hela Online. And the purpose of Talanta Hela Online is to enable those that cannot be reached physically to still be involved virtually.
Kenya is very surprising and our second market in importance, in order of importance. Our first market, because it's natural, is Latin America, Central America, with Mexico in the head. But Kenya was a really big surprise for us last year. And with this special relationship with your Minister of Sports, your Talanta Hela program and so on, we hope that the next year we will have more Kenyans enjoying about our technical installations, facilities and so on.
Na tugitigana na icio na mathomo ma ũheani wa license irabu-inĩ iria hambatara mbitika cia AFCON